Good morning, my dear students. Before class, I explained the introduction part of the applications of integrals. Okay, I explained clearly each and everyone how to take the means area. Okay, I explained. Now, today we are going to the problems. The exercise 8.1, the question number 1. Already I explained that one. What is the I am explaining means before I explained what is the graphs, how to draw the graphs. You know very well. Okay, that's why first thinking the part, okay, thinking the function, after that the what are the lines, draw the diagram, after that we will do the problems clearly. Okay, observe that find the area of the region bounded by the curve is given. Already I am explaining curve and the ordinates and the x-axis. Curve is given, lines is given, and the x-axis is given. Okay, now observe that I will draw the diagram. What is the diagram is going on? For suppose observe that first we will take the what is going on here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here given curve is y square equal 4x. What about given curve? Given curve is equal y square is equal to x. Already I explained this one. Y square equal to x. It is in the form of y square equal 4ax. Y square equal 4ax. Y power even. Y power even means totally symmetric on x-axis. Symmetric on x-axis. Okay, my dear students. In this way is going on diagram. This is called y square is equal to x. And what is given in the first coordinate only? X is equal to 1. The line is x is equal to 1 means vertical line. From origin to this line distance is 100%. This is called x is equal to 1. What about this x is equal to 4? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever maybe this is equal, x is equal to 4. Now we can find the area. What is the area? The area region bounded by the curve. Curve means only you see the part. This is the curve. What is the curve is going on? Y square equal to 4x. From this one, with respect to x-axis means 100% always function in x, means y is equal to, you write the y is equal root x. From this one, y value, first you will find the y value is equal root x. Okay, no problem at all. Now this is the curve, this is the ordinates, and this is the x-axis. Now we will find this area. I hope that you understood or not. What are the limits is going on? Area means 1 to 4. 1 to 4, and what is the curve means root x dx. Okay, now the area region bounded by the curve, or the curve y is equal root x, comma ordinates. What are the ordinates? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, and x-axis is area is equal integral 1 to 4 root x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now root x, integral of root x means 2 by 3, x root x or x power 3 by 2, whatever may be, x power 3 by 2, 1 to 4. Now 2 by 3, 4 power 3 by 2, minus 1 power 3 by 2 means 1, 2 by 3, 4 power 3 by 2 means 2 square. 2 square means 2 cancel, 2 cube means 8, 8 minus 1. That is equal 2 by 3 into 7. 7 to the 14 by 3 square units. Therefore, required area is equal 14 by 3 square units. Okay, my dear students. Very simple problems. In this way, we will do the problems. Next, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students. The second question is find the area of the region bounded by y square equal 9x, x is equal to 4, and the x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. Okay, in the same way we will go to the problem. What is given? Y square equal to 9x is given. What is the given curve? Y square is equal to 9x, 100%, you know. That is also y square equal to 4x. Y power even means the total diagram on x-axis only. You know very well, I think, yeah. Now observe that same way here. In this way, this is the graph. What is going on? and x is equal to and x is equal to 4. Okay, this is per suppose origin, x is equal to per suppose this one. What is the meaning of this one? Ordinate means this one, x is equal to, what is about this, x is equal to 4 here in this way. Now what happened? The area region bounded by the the area region bounded by the curve. What is the curve is going on here? This is the curve. This is the ordinates, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis. Now we find this area 2 to 4. What the curve? Y value is equal to, here y is equal to root to 9x, that equal 3 into root x. This is the y is equal to f of x. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the area. What is the area? Now the required area is equal to, now area in the first coordinate only. Okay, for suppose not given in the first coordinate means we extend the lines, upper portion and lower portion means 1 plus 1, you write the 2 into. Okay, now this is 2 to 4, 3 into root x dx, my dear students. Okay, now 3 is the constant, again integral of root x, that is 2 by 3 into x root x, upper limit and lower limit you write. This is 6, 3, 3 cancel, 2 into, sorry, this is 2 to 4. Okay, okay, upper limit is 4 into root 4 minus 2 into root 2. What happened this one? 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2. Okay, my dear students, 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2. Suppose again you will take the common 2. Already 2 is there, 4 into 2 taken common means 4 minus root 2 square units, my dear students. Next we are going to the next problem. See and observe the next problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal 4y, comma, and the ordinates are abscissa y is equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. Here with respect to the y-axis, means diagram with respect to the x, no problem. Whenever with respect to the y-axis means function in terms of y. Here x is equal to 2 root y. Okay, no problem at all. Now clearly observe that just first we are going to the diagram. Here x power even means x, what is the given curve? Given curve is equal to, what is the given curve? Given curve is equal to x square is equal to 4y, my dear students. X square equal to 4y means x power is even. Whenever it is x power even means 100% is symmetric, both total. This is plus y. This is totally on this one way, in this way, my dear students. Okay, understood or not? This is called x square is equal to 4y graph. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. After that, y is equal to means horizontal line. The horizontal at a distance of 2 units above the x-axis. This is equal to y is equal to 100%. Y is equal to, this point is 2. Next, y is equal to 4. In the first, they are asking only in the first coordinate. That's why I am writing here in this way. Okay. Now this is called y is equal to 4. This is called in the first coordinate. Now what is the area is going on here? Now area is 100%. What they are asking, find the area region boundary the curve. This is the curve. Yes, and the ordinates means y is equal to 4 and the y-axis. This is from, this is 2, this is 4, 2 to 4 the curve. Okay, now area is equal, what happened this one? Area is equal integral of 2 to 4 with respect to y-axis means 100% the function in terms of y only. Here x is equal to root 4y. Root 4y means 2 root y dx, my dear students. What happened this one? Sorry, not dx, this is dy with respect to y. Okay, now 2 into integral of root y dy, that is 2 by 3 into y root y or y power 3 by 2, whatever may be, y root y, limits 2 to 4. This is 4 by 3 into upper limit is 4 root 4 minus 2 root 2. Now we will take in common 2, 8 by 3. Sorry, what happened this one? Okay, root 4 means 2, 8 means 2 taken common means this is 4 minus 2 root 2 square units. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now next question, find the area region bounded by the ellipse. Yesterday in introduction class I was explained this problem. What is the ellipse standard form? X square by a square plus y square b square equal to 1. First, you know the idea about the curve. What the curve is going on? X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. It is comparing with x square by 16. It is comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, here a square value 16 means 100%, a value is 4, b value is equal to 3. That means which one is greater? A greater than b type. Now the diagram is going on. Whenever the b greater than type means this way. Now find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. This is the ellipse. This is 100% center. This is in this one, a greater than b means x power even, y power even means it is symmetric about the two axes. 100% symmetric about the two axes. But here a greater than means some part, more part on the x axis. This is a and a dash. A dash is called major axis. The length of the major axis is called 2a. 2a is equal to how much? 4. Sorry, 2a is equal to 8. Here from this one to this one is called a, small a. Okay, my dear students. This is called, from this is called b. This is b, length of minor axis. Length of half of the length of the major axis 2a means this is 2a. This point a already is given, 4 comma 0 is given. Okay, my dear students. Now what I am thinking, here the area first only you can find the first in the first coordinate. After that this one, 4 parts equal area occupied by the equal area. That's why you write the 4 into. Now first observe that this is the curve. This is the point 0. Okay, first part 0 means x is equal to 0 means y axis. This is ordinate. Now this is the point. What is the point? X is equal to 4. Now this is x axis. Now find first area. This is area we will find. Okay, my dear students. How to find? 0 to 4. With respect to x axis means the function total in x axis means you will find the y value. What is given here? Y is equal to, from this one, what happened? Y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by 16, my dear students. Okay. Now, sorry, y square by 9, not b square, y square by 9. Now y square is equal to 9, here LCM is 16, 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. Okay, my dear students. Now y is equal to root of, means 3 by 4 root over 16 minus x square. This is y value. Okay, now area. Now required area is equal to 100%, area is equal to, observe that what is area is going on? Area is equal to integral 0 to 4 y dx. Y with respect to x. Y dx means this is y into dx. Okay, no problem at all. That equal to 0 to 4. What is y? 3 by 4. Write the 3 by 4 in front. Root over 16. 16 write as 4 square minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students. Now what is the formula is going on? Root over a square minus x square formula. You know that we root of a square minus x square formula. Root over a square minus x square dx is equal to, here 1 by 2 100% in print, already I explained, x into root over a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse of x by a. You know the formula or not? Yes. Okay, that is the formula. Root over a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 into x into, here 3 by 4 already is there. Okay, I am explaining this here in this way. From this one I will write, that is equal to 3 by 4 already is there. Root over a square minus x square formula. What is the formula? 1 by 2 into root over a square minus x square, x into, okay, now x into root over a square minus x square, 4 square minus x square plus a square by a square means 4 square sin inverse of x by a means x by 4. What are the limits is going on? 0 to 4 are the limits. Now this is 3 by 8. Now we will take again here 100%. Okay, this part, this is the one part of the area. After that I will write, okay, 3 by 8 3 by 8 into, now upper limit is 4. Whenever it is right, 4 is 0. 4 square means 16 minus 16 is, this is 0 plus 16 into, here sin inverse of x value is 4 means sin inverse of 4 by 4 means sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 means pi by 2. Okay, my dear students, this is upper limit. Lower limit 0 and something 0. Sin inverse of 0 0. Total lower limit is 0. What happened this one? 8 ones are 8 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are cancel. What is the remaining? 3 pi. Okay. Now one part area is 3 pi. This part also in the same 3 pi. 3 pi 3 pi. Therefore total area. Therefore area of the ellipse. Now area of the ellipse. What happened this one? Area of the ellipse. Area region bounded by the ellipse. Total asking, not in the first coordinate, that is equal 4 into area of the first part, that equal 4a, that equal 4 into 3 pi, that is equal to 12 pi. 12 pi square units, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, there is the next problem. Find the area region bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Before this one same process, but here some diagram is different. What is given, my dear students? Here x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 16 is given. What is the going on solution? X square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Now comparison, no problem. What is the comparison is going on? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, standard form. Here a square equal to 4 means 100% a value 2, b square equal to 9 means b value is equal to 3. Here b is more. B is more. What is going on means, what is the meaning of b is more means the curve maximum lies on the y axis. Okay, symmetric about the both the axis, no problem. Here per suppose in this way, this is, what about this 100%? This is center, this is no change, a dash. Here a dash is minor axis, 100%. This is called b dash, is called major. Length of the major axis 100% 2b, no problem at all. Now you will take only the curve and the x, you will take the area, always you will take the with respect to x axis only, no problem. With respect to x also we will get the answer. This is the with respect to 0 to a value means how much? 2. This is 2 comma 0 means 0 to 2. Now this is the curve. Whenever we will take the x axis means total function in terms of x axis. Okay, my dear students. Now this is x is equal 0 means y axis. This is the area. After that we multiplied with 4 times. Now what is the going on? 0 to 2. Yeah, the area region bounded by the, from this one. What about y value? Y value is equal to y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 4. LCM is 4 minus x square by 4. Now here y is equal to 9 by 4. Y square is equal to 9 by 4 into root over 4 minus x square. Y value is equal to 3 by 2 into root over 4 minus 2 square minus x square, my dear students. Now the area region bounded by the curve, that is, what is curve? Bounded by the ellipse. Curve means ellipse is, area is equal to, I will write directly 4 into, no need. Okay, write down 0 to first you find the one area. Now 4 into, right, y 1 2 3 4. Okay, or otherwise after that you can find total area. The area region bounded by the ellipse in first coordinate, you write in first coordinate, better in q1. Okay, now 0 to 2, y means 3 by 2 into root over 2 square minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students, right, 3 by 2 is outside, already explained, root over a square minus x square formula. What is the formula of root over a square minus x square, my dear friends? Again I will write here neatly. Root over a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 into x into root over a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse of x by a plus c. In this one no need of the plus c. Have that you understood or not? 3 by 2 into here 1 by 2. Root over a square minus x square formula 1 by 2, 100%. Okay. X into root over 2 square minus x square plus a square 4 into sin inverse of x by a. X by a means x by 2. What are the limits is going on? 0 to 2. Now this is 3 by 4. Upper limit is 2. 0, 100% this one. Sin inverse of 2 by 2 means sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 means 4 by 2. That is 4 into pi by 2. Lower limit 100% 0. Now this 4 cancel. Okay, my dear students. Okay, 3 pi by 2. Okay, this is the one part of the area. Now the area region bounded by ellipse is equal 4 into area, one part of the area, that equal 4 into 3 pi by 2, that equal to 1 ja 2 2 ja, that equals 6 pi. This is the answer, my dear friends. Okay, in this way we will do the problems. The next question is find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, okay, with respect to x-axis and the line. Here observe that x is equal to root 3y is given and the circle is given. In this one ordinates are not given, means x values are not given. First 100% we will find the values of x, means first we will find the, before problems also means to find the area region bound ellipse means in that time also ordinates not given, but by using diagram we easily find it out. Okay, here also x is equal to root 3y and the curve x square plus y square equal to 4 here given. Now by using these two curves, first find the ordinates means values of x, means point of intersection we will find the curve and the line. You know that this is y is equal to x by root 3. With respect to x axis means 100% both the functions, means the function 100% in terms of x. From this one x is equal to root 3y means y is equal to x by root 3, that is y is equal to mx type, that is passing through the origin. X square plus y square equal to 4 is a circle of the center 0, 0, radius is 2. First we have an idea about the lines and the curve. After that we will do easily problems, otherwise we can't do. Now what is going on here? First we will find the what are the given curves. For suppose we will take the given curves is equal to, what are the given curves is going on? Given curves is equal to x is equal to root 3y first of all. Okay, this is equation number 1. X square plus y square is equal to 4. After that I will draw the diagram, no problem. First we will draw the diagram. First what happened? Okay, first we find the point of intersection. Let P be the point of intersection of 1 and 2. Okay, let P be the point of intersection of 1 and 2. How to find the point of intersection? X value root 3y, substitute in this one. X is equal to root 3y, substitute in this one. Or y is equal to x by root 3, whatever may be. From this one y is equal to how much? X by root 3, substitute here. Now x square plus y means x by root 3 means x square by 3 is equal to 4. 3x square plus x square, that is equal to 4x square by 3 is equal to 4. 4 cancel. Now x square equal to 3. X is equal to plus or minus, in the first coordinate clearly is given, that way you will take x is equal to root 3 only, since the diagram is belongs to in first coordinate. X is equal to root 3. Now we are going to the diagram. Now first circle we will draw. After that what happened? X is equal to root 3 means automatically y is equal to 1. What happened? X is equal to root 3 means, therefore that implies y is equal to what happened? 3 root 3 by root 3 means 1. The point of intersection is, therefore P is equal, what is the happened? P is equal to x comma root 3 comma 1. Simply okay, my dear friends, simply thinking. Now what is the going on here? Observe that now first we will take the circle. Now circle means you know that this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now circle, what happened the circle here, this is a circle, 100% center. What the center is going on, 0 comma 0 is going on. What the radius is going on, 2 is going on. Now this is y is equal to mx type. Y is equal to mx means 100% is passes through this one. Y is equal to x by root 3. This is this one. Now observe that this is the point of intersection 100%. What about this p? P means 100%. What is root 3 comma 1? What is the meaning of this one? The distance from this one to this one. For suppose this is pm. The distance 100%. Here this is 1. From this one to this one 100%. This is root 3. You know very well or not? Now to find the area between these two curves, this one and this one, this part, it is divided into two parts, this part and this part. Okay, first this is the right angle triangle. First observe that for suppose this is OMP, it is a right angle triangle. What is the area of the right angle triangle? Half into base into height, it is over. Next from this one to this one value is root 3. Yeah, 80. From this one to this one means next you will find this value, this area portion. This area portion means here from this one to this one means what is the curve is going on? Circle is the curve is going on. Here what is this? Root 3 to 2. Root 3 to 2 the curve and the x-axis. This is root 3. This is ordinates are there. This is root 3. 100% this is root 3. This is 2 and the curve is there. What the curve means? Circle is there. Circle is means y square equal 4 minus x square means y is equal root over 4 minus x square. I hope that understood. First for suppose OMP, for suppose this is also A is there. For suppose you will take the point here A. After that you will find the second area. Okay. Now what is the area of OMP? Now area of OMP is equal to simply, otherwise we will take the area from 0 to root 3. We will take the curve this one. What the curve? Y value. In two ways we will do this one. Okay. Here what is the meaning of curve and the ordinates and the x-axis? First of all you will find the total, this area and this area, total area. Here 0 to 2 not possible. 0 to 2 means 0 to 2 including from this one to this one, this curve is there. From this one to this one, circle is there. Okay, 0 to m. 0 to m means this part is 100% line. Means 0 to root 3. You will take the, what is the curve means? Line. After that root 3 to root 2, curve is not there. That is the circle is there. That is the root to root 3. We will take in two parts. Otherwise we will do in the two ways. No problem at all. Okay. Okay. Now area of the region bounded by the curves x is equal root 3y and x square plus y square equal 4 is area is equal to, observe that clearly, 0 to root 3. 0 to root 3. What is the curve? Y. Y value is equal to x by root 3 dx plus here root 3 to root 2. Here root 3 to what is the curve? Circle. Circle from circle y value root over 4 minus x square dx. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Now this area 100%. We will do in this way also, in this way also. This area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Base is root 3, height is 1. Means root 3 by 2. This area is root 3 by 2. Okay, what we will get this one? Okay, learn carefully. Here 1 by root 3 is the constant outside. This is x square by 2. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Okay, this is x square by 2. Integral of x dx means x square by 2. 2 write the outside. Just x square, limits 0 to root 3. Plus here root over a square minus x square. You know the formula? 1 by 2 into x into root over 4 minus x square plus a square. A square means 2 square means 4. Sin inverse of x by a means x by 2. Limits root 3 to 2. Okay, my dear students, here observe that what happened. 1 by 2 root 3 into upper limit is root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square means 3. Okay, plus 1 by 2 into, observe that upper limit is 0, upper limit is 2, this is 0, 0 plus sin inverse of 2 by 2 means sin inverse of 1, 4 into pi by 2. Okay, minus, we are going to the lower limit. Here root 3. Okay, root 3, 4 minus 3 means 1. Okay, this value is root 3 into 4 minus root 3 whole square means 4 minus 3 means 1, plus 4 into sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2 means what is that one? 60 degrees means pi by 3. This is 3 right as root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 cancel, that is root 3 by 2. First area root 3 by 2. Say yes or no? Half into base into height. Base is root 3, height is 1, half root 3 by 2. Right answer. Okay, no problem at all. Plus 1 by 2 into this is 2 pi. Okay, my dear students. 1 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. This is 2 pi minus here root 3 is there. Here minus here a square value. A square means 4, 100%. Okay, my dear students. 4 pi by 3. Okay, no problem. Now multiply root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. Here this one cancel. 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is equal 5 by 3 square units, my dear students. Now area is equal to how much? Pi by 3. Okay, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Here in this way also x is equal to a by root 2, one ordinate is given. What about a smaller part we will find the, means this line is divided into some parts. Okay, first we will go to the given curves. What are the given curves is going on here? Here given curve is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, my dear students, x is equal to a is given 100%, y axis means here from this one y is equal to a square minus x square. Now what I am explaining, a circle here, for suppose this is center. What the radius is going on? A is the radius, this is the radius. What is given here? X is equal to a by root 2 means 100% x is equal to k type means right side. Here for suppose right side, this is x is equal to a by root 100%. Here 100% this is a by root 2. Here this value is a by root 2. This value is a. The smaller part is this one 100%. Here in this problem observe that it is not in the first coordinate, means you will take the upper and lower, means two areas, means that's why first we will find the upper area and same also in the lower area. That's why we will write the directly 2. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 into what the area? This is the line. Okay, no problem. This is the x-axis. This is x is equal to a by root 2. Okay, this is the ordinate. This is the curve. What is the curve means? Circle is the curve. Now the required area is equal. The area region bounded by the given curve is equal. Area is equal. What happened? The smaller area is equal. Area A is equal 2 into. Why I am writing 2? This one. Before problems only in the first coordinate means we will take only one part. But here not given in the first coordinate, that by 2 into a by root 2 to a, this is equal root over a square minus x square dx. Y dx, y means root over a square minus x square dx, my dear students. What happened this one? Okay, now the point of intersection 100%. What is going on this point of intersection means 100% a by root 2 comma a by root 2. This x value here 100%. This is the x value a by root 2. You substitute x value a by root 2 in that one. What happened? X value a by root 2, a square by 2. A square minus a square by 2 means y value also a by root 2. The point of intersection 100% a by root 2 comma a by root 2. No need of this. In this one no need the point of intersection, my dear students. Okay. Now you know the formula of this one, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 x into root 2 over a square means x square plus a square sin inverse of x by a. Limits a by root 2 to a. These two cancel before. Okay, first upper limit a, this is 0 100% plus a square into, here sin inverse of a by a means upper limit a, sin inverse of a by a means sin inverse of 1 means pi by 2. Okay, this is over, minus lower limit a by root 2, a by root 2 into, here bracket begin, a by root 2 into a square minus a square by 2, a square minus a square by 2, this is also a by root 2 plus a square into sin inverse of x means a by root 2 by a cancel, 1 by root 2 means pi by 4, that is pi a square by 2 minus a square by 2, that equal pi a square by 4. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one, pi a square by 2, here minus pi, here minus is there. Okay, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 means 100% pi by 4, pi by 4 a square minus a square by 2. Now taken common, a square by 2 taken common out, a square by 2 taken common out, pi by 2 minus 1. The smaller part of the area is, the smaller part of the area is square units, my dear students. Okay, you write 100% square units. The smaller part of the area is equal to this one. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. The area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts. The area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Then find a. What are the given given curve? That is y square equal to x. That means y is equal to root x, 100%. X is equal to 4 means ordinate is given. Observe that. Here actually y square equal to 4x means in this way. Actually the area between the x is equal to 4 means here per suppose x is equal to 4. The area between the curve, actually this is 100% 0, this is 400%, 0 to 4. Now find the area means 2 into actually, but this total area is divided into the two equal parts by the line. What is the line? X is equal to a here. X is equal to a line means this area 100%, this area, this is per suppose a1 means here x is equal to a means this is a, this area and this part, these two are equal. Okay, my dear students, now what happened, what is given? What is given means y is equal to root 2x clearly is there, curve is don't change at all, but okay, Kani, now area. First one, what is the area? But two equal parts by the line, 0 to a, 0 to a. Okay, given, but given 0 to a, curve is root x dx, that is equal to a to 400%. Y will take the 2, 100% in front of 2. Why? Upper and lower part. Here upper and lower. This is 2 also. Here a to 4. Curve is no same way. What is the curve means? Y is equal to root x is the curve. I hope that you understood or not. The area region bounded by the given curves, it is divided by the x is equal to a line, means these two areas must be equal is again clear. Two equal parts means this area must be equal. This area means 2 into 0 to a, this area a to 4. Okay, my dear student. Here 2 cancel. What about root x? 2 by 3 x root x, 0 to a. Here what about this is also 2 by 3 x root x. What about this a to 4? Both side 2 by 3 cancel. What about this a root a is equal to upper limit, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4 into root 4 minus here a root a root a this side 2a root a is equal to 8 this one. Okay, my dear friends, 4 into 2 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are, a into root a means a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4. a power 3 by 2, a power 1 plus 1 by 2, a power 3 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Next, what is going on here? A is equal 4 power 3 by 2 this side, this is 2 by 3. A value is equal 4 power 2 by 3. I hope that you understood the problems. Very easy way we will do the problems, my dear students. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal mod x and y equal x square. Okay. Y is equal mod x and y. You know the graph of the mod. First, okay, those are the point of intersection. We'll just I observe that this one just graph is going on. First, what are the given curves? Here two curves are there. Y is equal x square and y is equal mod x. First, you know the graph of these two. Here, first of all, you will take the x square equal to y. X square equal to y means 100%. It is symmetric about the y axis, x power even. This is this one. Okay. This is this one, my dear students. After that, you know that's okay. Now y is equal to mod x. Now x value is 0 here, 100%. Y is equal to x. Positive x. If what the mod is, mod x is equal to x if x positive, 0 if x 0, minus x if x less than 0. You know very well. Now x is positive means this side 100%. Now this is the point of intersection, no problem at all. This side is x is suppose x is a negative. Okay. Now draw the graph in this way. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now this is this one. What about this? Now you will find this area only. What is the area means? This part, black part in between area only. Okay, my dear students. Black part means upper curve minus lower curve. How to do this one? What is the point of intersection of this one and this one? We don't know the values of this one and this one. Now, for suppose here you have to substitute y is equal to mod x. You have to substitute what happened. This is x square is equal to y. X is equal to mod x. From this one, these two are equal means this is x square is equal to mod x, my dear students. Okay. For suppose mod x is equal to x, you will take the plus or minus x. What happened? Therefore, x square is equal to plus or minus x. Okay. Now 100% those are passing through origin, no doubt at all. You take the common x value 0, 100%. Now this one, x is equal to 100% plus or minus 1. Okay, my dear student. This is 100%. This is here minus 1. Here this is plus 1. Means the area between minus 1 to 1. Okay, upper curve means here to here you will find. Lower curve means this one. Now the remaining part is this area only. Okay, now area is equal minus 1 to 1. Upper curve minus 2 curves is given here. Now area is equal the area region bounded by given parabola and y is equal mod x is area is equal 100% minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Upper curve is mod x minus lower curve is x square dx. Whenever two curves is given, upper curve minus lower curve dx. Here minus a to a is there. Whenever minus a to a is there, you observe the even or odd function. Here even mod x is even function, x square is even function. This is even function means minus a to a means even function means 2 into 0 to 1. Okay, mod x minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Minus 1 to means 2 into y because since mod x minus x square is even. Okay, now 0 to 1 means 100% is positive. Mod x is x, 2 into integral of x. Here mod x is equal to x, where x belongs to 0 to 1. Positive. Okay. Here integral of x means x square by 2 minus integral of x square means x cube by 3. Limits 0 to 1. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Lower limit 100% 0. 2 into 6 is the LCM, 3 minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 2, that is 2 into 1 by 6, that is equal 1 by 3. Now area is equal how much? 1 by 3. Area is equal 1 by 3 square units. Don't forget this one, square units. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friends, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, my dear friends, this type of questions are very important. Find the area bounded by the curve and the line. Already explained, whenever two curves is given, compulsory first we will find the point of intersection by using the graph or directly. Okay, for suppose we will take from this one. What happened here? What the given curves are there? Okay, I will draw the diagram later. Okay, x square equal 4y is there. What is the x square is equal to 4y? Now here x is equal to how much is given? 4y minus 2 is given. No problem. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 1. These are the given curves. Now substitute what is the value of x? X is equal to 4y minus 2. 100% the area region bounded by the x is equal to 4. Whatever may with respect to x axis or with respect to x. Okay, I am explaining, no problem at all. Mostly I will take with respect to x axis. Okay, don't confuse at all. Okay, from this one x value is equal to, you have to substitute here, x value equal 4y minus 2, substitute here this one, 4y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4y. Now expansion is going on, that is 16y square minus 2ab, 2 4s are 8, it's 16y plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 0. Now 16y square minus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. What happened? You will take in the common 4y square minus 5y plus 1 equal 0. What are the factors is going on? Means 100%. Okay, now 4y square minus 4y minus y plus 1 equal 0. Now taken common 4y, y minus 1, minus 1 taken common, minus 1 is equal 0. Okay, y minus 1 taken common, 4y minus 1 equal 0. Now y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute y is equal to 1. What happened here? Here substitute in this one, no problem. Y is equal to 1, substitute. Y equal to 1 means x square equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Now compulsory this value satisfy both the equations. Okay, y is equal to 1. What happened? X is equal to 100% minus 2. X is equal to 100% minus 2, my dear friends. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 means 100%. Y is equal to 1. What happened here? Y is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means minus 2. X square equal 4y. X is equal plus or minus 2y. X is equal minus 2. Okay, now y is equal to 1 by 4. What happened? X is equal minus 2. Y is equal to 1 by 4. What happened? Y is equal to 1 by 4 means x is equal to 100% minus 1. Okay, x is equal minus 1. 4 cancel, x is equal minus 1, my dear students. Here, my dear students, observe that y value 1. What happened? Y value 1 means 4y, 4 into 1, 4 minus 2, that is plus 2, my dear students. Okay, now clearly the point of intersection is clearly 2 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 1 by 4. Clearly you know that. Okay, my dear students. Now first we will go to the graph. What is going on? How to find the area? Directly we can find the minus 1 to 2, no problem at all. X values, these are the ordinates 100%. Okay, my dear students. Now suppose we are going to the graph. Here x square is equal to 4y. X power even means here 100% the graph this way. Okay, this is called x square equal to 4y. Now the point of intersection clearly is there. One is the point of intersection is 2 comma 1 in first coordinate. This is x is equal to minus 1 comma 1 by 4 in the second coordinate. Here first coordinate, second coordinate, intersection is going on. Okay, first how to draw this diagram? Here observe that 4y minus 2 is there, the curve. Just how to draw the diagram? Here observe that x is equal to 4y minus 2 is there. Now minus 2 this side, or x minus 4y is equal to minus 2. Now divide by minus 2. What happened, my dear students? X by minus 2 minus 4y by minus 2 is equal to 100% 1. Here x by minus 2 plus y by, what happened, this one 2 1s are 2 2s are, okay, y by 1 by 2, okay, is equal to 1. Means it intersect the x-axis at -2, for suppose 0, -1, here -2, intersect the y-axis at 1/2, 0, here for suppose just 0, 1/2, intersect. Okay, where the intersect it is. Okay, -2 to 1/2. Now draw this line. -2 is passing through -2. Okay, here this point you know, this point you know, this point 100%. What is this point here? Clearly is given in second coordinate, -1 comma 1/4. This point is -1 comma 1/4, means this value at -1, 100%, this value exactly -1. Next, this point is going on 0, here 1, this is 2. This point you know, point of intersection 2 to 1, p is equal to 2 comma 1. Here 100%, this value is 2. X is equal to means vertical lines. Now area is -1 to 2. Now what is the 1 to 2 means? Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus, now you will find this area only, this part only. Upper minus lower. Upper curve is this one. From this one we can find the, whenever you will take the x values, 100% the curve, the values of function must be in terms of x. Here x value, y, to find the y value, y is equal to -2 this side, x plus 2. From this one y is equal, what happened, x square equal 4y is given, x square equal 4y. Now y is equal to x square by 4, 100% this one. Now second one is x is equal to 4y minus 2. Now 4y is equal to x plus 2. Okay my dear students, y is equal to how much? X plus 2 by 4 my dear students. Now area, what happened here? Area is equal to 100% the required, the area region bound. I hope that you understood our total explanation of the curve. Okay, the area region bounded by the curve x square equal 4y and x is equal 4y minus 2 is area is equal, what happened this one, -1 to 2. What is the upper curve? Upper curve is line. What the line is going on? X plus 2 by 4 minus lower curve. What is the lower curve? X by 4 dx. Now here 1/4 is constant. Here integral of x plus 2 means x plus 2 whole square by 2 minus here x cube by 3. Limits -1 to 2. Upper limit 2, right? 1/4. 2 plus 2, 4 square. 4 square means 16 by 2 minus 2 cube 8 by 3. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit -1 plus 2 means 1 square, 1/2 plus here -1 means plus 1/3. What happened this one? 1/4 into 3 16s are 48 minus 2 6 by 6 minus of 3 plus 2 5/6. Okay my dear students, that equal 1/4 into 32/6 minus 5/6. 32/6 minus 5/6. What happened this one? That is equal to 32 minus 5 into 1/4 into 27/6. 3 2s are 3 9s are, that equal 9/8. Area is equal how much my dear students? 9/8. Okay. Now okay my dear students, going to the next last problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal 4x and the line x is equal to 3. Okay, simple. Ordinate is given clearly. Okay, first we will draw the, what are the given curves? Given curves is y square equal 4x. Okay, now draw the diagram. Now x is equal to 3. This is, now y square equal 4x must should, this is origin, this is 100% 3 means 0 to 3. Upper and not in the first coordinate, upper and lower means 2 into right. Okay, the area region bounded by, here y is equal to what happened, root 4x means y is equal to root x. Okay, the area region bounded by the curve y square equal 4x and the line x is equal 3 is area is equal 2 into, why we will write the 2, upper and lower part is there, 2 into limits 0 to 3 to root x dx. Already in print 2 is there, 4 into integral of root x 2 by 3 x root x 0 to 3 8 by 3 3 root 3 minus 0, 8 by 3 into 3 root 3, 3 3 cancel, 8 root 3 square units, my dear students. In this way we will do the problems. You understood or not? Yes, I think you understood. This is the most important topic for the board examination. 100% we will get the long answer type questions, 6 marks questions. Okay, my dear friends, don't neglect this topic and do carefully, my dear friends. Thank you, one and all.